Namaskar. Are you struggling to shed some extra pound to maintain some healthy weight? Well, starting your day with the right breakfast can make all the difference. In fact, your breakfast choices can be a powerful tool in achieving your weight loss goals. That is why in today's video, I am going to share with you 5 healthy breakfast recipes that not only taste well but also will help you to shed some weight. So let's learn about some delicious and nutritious breakfast options that can make a big impact on your weight loss journey. First, healthy appam. This is a South Indian delicacy that's packed with protein and nutrient. Let's understand the ingredients. 1 cup of moong dal, half cup of urad dal, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 inch of ginger, water as required. For the toppings, we will use 1 bowl of mixed vegetables such as carrots, beetroots, French beans, baby corn and green peas. Chop these into small pieces or grate them as required. Now understand how to do it. First, we need to wash and soak these dals for 6 to 8 hours. After that, drain all the water out and blend them into a smooth and thick paste using 1/4 cup of water and the other ingredients mentioned earlier. Beat the batter for 2 to 3 minutes to make the appams light and fluffy. Then add all the vegetables and mix well. To test the right consistency, drop a little batter in the water and make sure it floats on the water. Now heat and grease the appam pan. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of batter in each section and cover it until it turns golden. Cook it from both the sides on low heat. Our healthy appam is ready to be served. We can serve it with mint coriander chutney. This breakfast is not only healthy but also delicious and filling. It's perfect for those who want to lose weight without compromising on taste. Second, zucchini or bottle gourd paratha. This is a tasty and nutritious twist to the traditional parathas. Let's understand the ingredients. 3 tablespoons of grated zucchini or bottle gourd, 2 tablespoons of Bengal gram flour called besan, 1 tablespoonful of chopped mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt for the taste, 1 teaspoon of ghee, 1 teaspoon of oil. Now understand the method. First, in a bowl, add wheat flour, besan, bottle gourd, chopped pudina, grated zucchini or grated ginger, salt and haldi. Now add little oil and knead the dough with the help of water. Next, divide this dough into equal sized balls and roll them into parathas. Now heat the pan and roast the parathas on both the sides until they are crispy and nice. Now here the parathas are ready. Third recipe, oats beetroot paneer paratha. This is a unique and nutritious variation of traditional paratha. Let's understand the ingredients. 1 cup of roasted oats, 1 cup of beetroot puree, half cup of crumbled paneer, half cup of whole wheat flour, half a teaspoonful of cumin seed, half a teaspoonful of ajwain seed, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, water as required to mix the dough and ghee for cooking. So now understand the method. First, in a mixing bowl, add all the ingredients and make the dough until it is smooth and roll them into parathas. Heat the pan, cook the paratha with ghee until they are golden brown on both the sides. Our oats beetroot paneer parathas are ready to be served. Serve them with curd, raita or chutney. Fourth, soya chunk, sprouts, tikki. This is a delicious and easy to make recipe. Understand the ingredients. 1.5 cup soya chunks, half cup green moong sprouts, 150 grams spinach or palak, 1 inch ginger, 3 to 4 tablespoon rice flour, 3 tablespoon gram flour or besan, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, half teaspoon rock salt or kala namak, handful fresh coriander leaf, handful fresh mint leaf, salt to taste, oil for shallow fry. Now understand the method. Boil 2 cups water in a pan and switch off the flame. Add this soya chunk and let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Drain the water from soya chunks and now rub and rinse in clean water 3 times. Squeeze the soya chunks thoroughly and get rid of all the excess water in it. Keep it aside. Blanch the spinach in boiling hot water for 2 minutes and transfer it to ice cold water. To stop cooking process and retain the color, squeeze out all the excess water from spinach and keep aside. In a mixer jar, add the chopped ginger, coriander and mint leaves and grind it. Then add the green mung sprouts and pulse grind. Finally, add the soya chunk and spinach. Grind well to a smooth paste. Do not add water. Transfer the ground paste to a bowl and add all the dried spices, salt, rice flour and gram flour. Mix well and bring it together into a smooth and non-sticky dough. Let the dough rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Now prepare tikkis with the dough. Place the tikkis in skillet with gaps in between. Cook on low and medium flame till one side is golden brown. Now carefully flip the tikkis. Cook the other side as well till golden brown. Serve with chutney by side. Fifth recipe, sprout dhokla. This is also delicious and easy to make recipe. Let's take a look at ingredients. 1 cup sprouted horse gram, half cup finely chopped spinach, 2 tablespoon besan, 1 teaspoon rock salt, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, half teaspoon hing, asafoetida, 3 to 4 curry leaves. And now let's move on to the method. Blend horse gram sprout spinach. If required, use little water. Transfer this paste to bowl. Add besan salt along with 1/4 cup of water and mix well to make a batter of pouring consistency. Pour the batter into a greased thali and shake the thali to spread the batter in an even layer. Steam in steamer for 10 to 12 minutes till the dhoklas are cooked. Heat the oil in a small pan. Add sesame seed, asafoetida and curry leaves. Saute on medium flame. Pour this over the dhoklas. Cut into diamond-shaped pieces and serve with green chutney. So here are our 5 breakfast weight loss recipes. Bring these healthy, delicious meals to your morning routine and you will be on your way to achieving weight loss goals. Namaskar.